Hi, this is John, Flat 6 Motorsports, and welcome back to another installment of our 992 exhaust series. Today we have a Soul Performance valved exhaust. Let's see what's in the box. So in the box we have this muffler system. They also include some miscellaneous hardware that you need for installation, along with an install guide that's full color. It's nice to have because it'll show you step by step. And then in addition to this pack, it comes with a microfiber cloth. Sometimes handling this with dirty hands, you'll get some fingerprints. All you need to use is some WD-40 and that microfiber. Wipe it down before you start the car. It'll be super clean. Soul Performance is a United States-based manufacturer of exhaust systems. Now they make exhaust systems for a variety of platforms, including sports cars and exotics. They make high-quality solutions backed by a lifetime warranty, so they back their exhaust with a lifetime warranty for both street and track use. In front of me, I have the 992 Carrera valved exhaust system. Now this fits all Carreras, including the base, S, and GTS. It's a T304 stainless steel system. It actually weighs about the same as the stock muffler, so there's really no weight savings with this system in particular. It does feature a 1.6 millimeter thick tubing throughout, and this is a valve system, so it's going to reuse the factory valve actuators. Whether you have PSE or not, those actuators will transfer over to this exhaust system. And with the valves open, it's going to route the exhaust gas through this 75 millimeter tubing, and with the valves closed, it's going to go through this muffler and out through these 50 millimeter openings. So that's going to quiet the exhaust down and hopefully provide a comfortable cruising condition. Now Soul does also offer two sets of link pipes with this. You can reuse your factory link pipes or catalyst, or you can opt for their 200 cell HJS high flow cat, and they also have a competition style link pipe that can mate to this exhaust. Overall, a very high quality system, nice mandrel bends, nice welds. So let's get it on the car, see how it sounds. Installation of this system is very straightforward. It's kind of a remove and replace technique of the factory system. We do have a detailed video showing you how to install an aftermarket exhaust system for your 992 Carrera. Check the link below if you want some further information on that. And on the dyno, this exhaust picked up impressive gains with a peak gain of 12 wheel horsepower and 7 foot-pounds of torque. But you can see the gains all across the rev range, including kind of down low and up high, adding a max gain of 24.2 wheel horsepower and 24.1 foot-pounds of torque. Now I've seen this on a few of the valve systems. It seems the stock calibration really likes this formula. All right, so here we are in the 992. We have the Soul Performance valve system on the car. And overall, it's a very nice system. I really like the depth of the exhaust tone. It has a nice deep tone to it. Seems like some of these valve systems kind of do that pretty well that have mufflers on it. It just gives it a little more booming sound, a little more persistence. I'd say with the valves closed, it's actually, fairly close to stock. fairly close to OEM, but has a little bit more persistence, just slightly. And then when you open the valves, you have a very nice aggressive tone. And also some added depth to it as well. That's the thing that I was kind of a little surprised by. It just has a deeper tone, even with the exhaust open, the valves open. It gives you that characteristic as well. And just overall, a really nice balanced system. I think a lot of folks would be happy with this system. I've been driving it for several days now, and taking it back and forth to work, leaving in the morning. Startup is, you know, very tame. I have the M Engineering tune, so I have the cold start deleted, but very tame. I can leave my neighborhood very quiet with the valves closed. You know, neighbors aren't really going to hear me. It's going to basically sound like a stock exhaust. And then when you push the valves open, you get a very nice, pleasant upgrade in sound. It's basically going to make the exhaust quite a bit louder, and also incorporate some more depth to the tone of the exhaust. So overall, I think it's a really nice system. There's no weight savings on this system relative to some of the other systems that drop a few pounds. So if that's important to you, that might be a factor. But I would say if you're one of the people that are looking for sort of an OEM plus sound, you just want to upgrade the car to sound a little meatier, with some nice aggressive tone, this definitely is one to consider. I think it's you know, something that most folks with a 992 Carrera would be very happy with. So definitely check it out if you're interested. We have a link in the description below. And make sure to subscribe, because we're going to be coming out with even more installments of this series where we review other exhausts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.